I really wanted somewhere where I could get the opportunity to explore every single different discipline that I wanted. And Wittenberg really gave me that place to do so. I work in the scene shop, and I was able to explore scene construction, scenic design, lighting design, prop design, all of those different things before I finally realized and found out that lighting technology and to a lesser extent lighting design was really my true passion and true calling.
There will be lots of chance, opportunity to hands-on, to perform. All the performances is done by students in dance-wise. Student choreograph, student perform, students run the stage managing. Everything is all run by students with faculty supervision. The directors usually either is our faculty or we have guest artists to come to direct the play. And then we also have a lot of workshops for students to explore with the professional world in us.
I've grown as a person, as an artist. Because it's a VA program, I've done all sorts of different things. It has made me a more well-rounded artist. And I've just taken all these different classes within the department that as a senior in high school who was strictly technical would not have even thought about before I came to Wittenberg.
It's a small liberal arts school, so we are seeing our students always as a part of our family. It's not just another student. We really interest and also embrace those students who have the self-motivation to do something, to learn something.
This department has impacted my experience at Wittenberg profoundly. I came into WIT and I didn't really know where I belonged because I wasn't sure what I wanted to do with my life. I was very much being pushed in a direction that I didn't necessarily want to go in. And there was auditions for Cabaret, one of our main stage productions. And when I went to them, even though none of the theater people there knew me, the people in the theater department, they were so welcoming and open, and I instantly made friends, and I just knew that that was where I belonged.
I have come to all of the different professors here and just kind of talked about what I wanted to do, and they were able to cater their teaching style and their way of talking to me to suit my needs. So they've really helped to be that big support system for me in pursuing my career and figuring out where I want to go after Wittenberg.
My relationship with my professors at the Wittenberg Theater Department is actually really strong. First off, I took a class called Art of the Theater with Dr. Patrick Reynolds, and he was one of the major reasons why I decided to come to the theater department at WIT. And I was in a show called She Kills Monsters, directed by Jason Podpleski, and he also just gave me such a different insight to the theater industry in general, like casting and all that kind of stuff. And so I think that the biggest thing that they have given me as professors with our relationship is people who care about you and people who want to see you succeed and will do anything for you to make that happen.
We have a lot of connections with professionals around the world, but also in the nations. Like the internship in nearby city, Dayton, DCDC, in Cincinnati, and in New York City. We have all kind of connections that the students interest about and then help them to establish this kind of internship possibilities. Everything done here, it's all from the passion, not from obligations.
The Wittenberg Theater Department has helped me with what I'm going to do after college with this career path in so many different ways, because I get a lot of in-classroom experience, hands-on experience with acting and improv and stagecraft. But after that, there's so many opportunities to do a variety of different things in the production process for our different main stages and student-directed plays. So you can stage manage, assistant stage manage, you can do lighting, sound, anything in the tech realm like that, or you can act, or you can help direct. They give you so many different options, and so my resume, even in the semester that I've been a part of the theater department has grown significantly because they give you so many opportunities to just expand your knowledge on the craft and really go in depth with each thing so that you have experience in more than your one focus.